1. Open WhatsApp. Locate the WhatsApp icon on your Android phone's home screen or app drawer and tap on it to open the app. 2. Select a chat. Choose the chat or group conversation where you want to share your location. You can either select an existing chat or start a new one. 3. Once you're inside the chat, you'll see a paperclip icon. Tap on it to access the attachment options. 4. Choose location. From the attachment options, select location. It is usually represented by a map or pin icon. If you're not turned on location in your phone, turn on location service. 5. Share your location. You'll be presented with different options to share your location. You can choose to share your live location continuously for a specific duration, or select send your current location to share your current whereabouts instantly. If you select send your current location, WhatsApp will instantly share your current location as a WhatsApp message. 6. Confirm and send. After selecting the desired location sharing option, confirm your choice. WhatsApp will prepare the location information and display it as a preview. Message. Location displayed. Once sent, the chosen location will appear in the chat as a map preview. The recipients can tap on the map to view the location details and even get directions if needed. That's it. You have successfully shared your location on WhatsApp using an Android phone. Remember that WhatsApp will request permission to access your device's location services, so make sure to grant the necessary permissions for location sharing to work properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.